What's up, guys? I know this is long overdue, but I'm finally getting this done. I apologize, I could not find my tripod, so I had to film this a different way than I wanted to. So you guys have asked, this h2go purifier, how does it work? Let me show you. Okay, so it comes with a charging system, and it's an international charger, a standard wall charger for the US, everything else, and I have the charging cable plugged in somewhere else. But it also comes with instructions, water test strips, and this little bottle. This is the money maker. So in here, how you use this is first you pour salt in here to that line. Then you fill it up with water, shake it. That makes your brine. Then you pour your brine, and here's the cool thing. I can carry salt in the top. Okay, and I got salt on both sides. And then you pour the brine in here and you run it. Okay, so I've poured salt in here to the line. Kind of see that. I'm gonna fill water in, and then I'll show you how we put it back into there to run it. All right, so now I've shaken up the brine, and this is enough for 15 batches. So now, all we have to do, one-handed somehow, there we go. Let's put the brine in here. There we go. You can see there's water in there. That's the brine. So it is now working. So leave this flat when you're running it. We're doing a 1 liter. It's causing a chemical reaction to create chlorine. Okay, so now that we've finished this process, it's super simple. You just pour it into the container you're going to be using, where you've got your water. Now, it's not an instant fix. We've got to give it now 30 minutes for it to knock out all the viruses and bacteria. And if you're worried about Giardia, give it 4 hours. So you just put the lid on. And I'm actually going to shake this up to help make sure it gets throughout all the water. And we wait, and that's it. That's all you do. And this will run 32,000 gallons or more. And it's pretty dang fantastic. So if I wanted to run this on, for example, 20 liters, I would have done the 20 liter setting, and that same amount of water and salt would have been turned into enough to treat 20 liters. And with everything that's in here, I've got 2 full batches I can put of salt. This then gives me 15 cycles that I can run in this kit. And it comes in this little carrying case. So all in all, I'm honestly blown away with how simple this is, how easy it is to use. If I'm hiking, I just use my water. Now I just fill this up, treat it, start hiking again, and in 30 minutes I can start drinking water again. Right? It's that simple. If you want to learn more, there's a link in our bio that goes to their website. They'll help you out.